This is minute 7 of a boil test. You might be able to hear the kettle just starting a low boil. We've got 280, 290 degrees Celsius on the hot plate on the hottest part. Almost 300. Over here in the wings, it cools down to about 80 or 90 degrees. Same on both sides, I presume. Yep. And that's going to be ideal for just keeping 2 pots warm while the main meal cooks, like a stir fry or something like that. And how I've managed to get this extra heat out of this stove is by putting in this air port down the bottom. That goes in and curls around under the fire and just injects extra air underneath, giving it the boost that it needs. I'll close the air valve just to show you what effect that has. Slows the flames right down and puts the stove into economy mode. This lever on the side bypasses the heat plate and puts the heat directly up the chimney, thereby cooling the hottest part of the heat plate. I'll bring that back and that will slowly bring the kettle to boil. There we go. It's about to begin a proper boil after about 8 minutes. That's 500 mils, 2 cups of water. 8-minute boil. When I turn everything down, close everything off, and then close the air port, you can see how it shuts the fire right down. In its first test, this fire was extremely economical. I loaded it up with wood and I got 10 hours out of it, but it was a slow, lethargic burn. The maximum heat I got out of a cooking surface was 150 degrees Celsius. Today, I've achieved 300 degrees, which is well enough to sear a steak, and it's still reasonably economical. This is the third of a new type of stove that I've been making. I call it the Raven. I'm keeping this one for myself and I'm going to be using it as a test bed. I'll be trying new ideas and developing the stove to get it as good as I possibly can. If playing with stoves or recycling or refurbishing or rebuilding is your thing, then why not subscribe to the channel? Tiny House and Off-Grid Resources.
Anybody home?
Oops, have to go. That cute Irish lady's here.